At Google, we're always innovating. So in 2001, when our engineers started complaining about management structure, we decided to try an experiment. What if we just got rid of managers? So we did. And the result was chaos. Peer review systems fell apart, and nobody was there to deal with daily complaints and requests. After a couple of weeks, we threw in the towel and reinstated all manager positions. Order was restored. But we were still looking for ways to examine the effect of management. So in 2008, we took a more focused approach. We did a ton of peer reviews with our staff, analyzed performance reports, and sifted through the data to zero in on the 8 traits that our best managers all share. So without further ado, here's what you should focus on to be the best manager you can be. Be a great coach. Teach your team new skills and give them regular, productive feedback. Be empowering. Delegate whenever you can and don't micromanage. Get to know your team on a personal level. Taking an interest in their personal well-being makes them feel valued and respected. Help with career development. Invest in training, spread praise around, and take the time to mentor your team. Your staff will be much happier if they feel supported. Be results-oriented. Don't play favorites, and always take time to acknowledge good work. Be a good communicator. Separate your introverts from your extroverts and know how to motivate them as individuals. Management isn't one size fits all. Have a clear vision and strategy. Your team will be far more productive if they understand the work culture. Lead by example. Keep your technical skills up to date so you can advise and guide your team. Growing as a manager takes patience, understanding, and leadership skills. Be mindful of these 8 points, and we're sure you'll become a more complete leader.